To create new flow, click Create and then select Automated Flow title. First, name your flow in Flow Name field and type Business Central into Choose Your Flow's Trigger field to find the trigger you want. Scroll down and select When Recordings Change Trigger. Just click Create. When a trigger appears, you need to choose your company in the Company Name field. In our case, we will use the Cronus Company. As a table name, choose an item and click the Next Step command to add an action. In the box that shows, choose an action, type Business Central, and then select Business Central Connector. Select Get Record Action. In the form that appears, in the company name, choose the company you selected in the trigger. In the table name, choose the item table, and in the row ID, select row ID from Dynamic Content. Select the Next Step command to add a new action. In the box that shows, choose Control and select Condition. In the condition form that appears, choose Number from Dynamics Content. As this is an item number, we will use condition is equal to or item number from Business Central we want to use in this notification. When you check in Business Central, you will see this item has inventory 4. The next step is configuration of the condition action. First, you should configure if yes action. Select Add an action in if yes form. Again, choose Control and select Condition, as we need to check if inventory is less from our minimum quantity. In condition form, choose an inventory from Dynamic Content and as the condition, choose is less than. As a minimum quantity, enter, for example, 3. Now, we need to configure if yes response. Select the Add an action in New if yes form. In the box that shows Search all connectors and action, choose Notification connector. Then, you can choose one of two notification options and, in this case, select Send me a mobile notification action. In the form that appears, in the text box, you need to configure notification text you will receive as a notification message. Let's enter a text item and then add token number and display name from Dynamic Content, add the text has quantity and add tokens inventory and base unit of measure code from Dynamic Content. You can actually make any combination of text and tokens from Dynamic Content. As you need action only for if yes condition, so you don't need to configure if no conditions. Click Save and go to the My Flow list. Select your new flow and now you can test it. Currently, we don't have any run of this flow. Go to the Business Central Sales Orders and add the item used in the flow to the sales line. I'll add quantity 3, as I know it will be enough for our example, and I'll change the unit price to avoid approval process. Pause the sales order. Now, move back to our flow and refresh all runs. In one moment, it will show that the status is running, and that means flow still didn't finish. When you refresh all runs again, you will see the status is succeeded. You can open this flow to see details of this flow run, and you can see the system finished all 3 steps. As this is notification for mobile devices, let's look to our phone to see the notification we just received.